My name's Oteri, and I am a patrolman with the Tewksbury Police Department. I started with the Tewksbury Police Department in February of 2023. Becoming a police officer was always something that interested me. The primary reason was I just wanted to help people. I decided to come to Tewksbury because I've heard how tight of a community it is. A chance to work in the area that I grew up in and help people and hopefully make some sort of a difference was very attractive to me. Working in this town, it's such a supportive community, and we are allowed to go out and be very proactive in the community, do proactive policing, and really try to keep the community safe before problems arise. Whether it's checking areas where there's known criminal activity, or doing motor vehicle stops and taking those opportunities to educate the public. I don't think a lot of communities support their police departments as much as the town of Tewksbury does, and it's really a breath of fresh air, and we're really fortunate to have that. Tewksbury is a great community. They're very supportive of our department, whether it's going to get a coffee somewhere, someone saying hi to you, or children waving to you when you're in a parking lot or down at one of the parks. It really stands out, and I think that's something special that not every community has. It's easily been the best decision I made. Yeah, I love it.